I want one bad.
Yeah.
I tried getting him by my streetcar before. Ugh.
He's out.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We've got an awesome week for you. A lot of Z01 action. If you're new to the channel, we do episodes every Wednesday and Friday, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. And as always, our merchandise available on the website, raceprovenmotorsports.com. Hats, t-shirts, license plate frames, all that good stuff. But enough talk, let's get the episode started.
Besides you trying to kill me, what are you doing?
I need to find a quick detailer so I can spray these fenders down so I can...
You want me to grab the new Adams polishes stuff for you?
No, because I have a brand new bottle of...
well, this stuff smells better.
I don't want it to give me a headache, so thanks for telling me.
I'll grab it for you. You can use the new stuff, it's better. Detail spray. It's on the other side.
It's over there.
Oh, yeah. Clean these off before we wrap them. And rank.
Yeah, Steve was supposed to help me. That was the whole thing about wiping the fenders down, but he stood there and
I
watched
wiped
me.
the fender down, and now I'm filming.
You don't take the bumper off, right?
No.
What's this one getting?
Headers, harmonic balancer, 18%.
Okay.
Air intake.
Lift them up a little bit, just so I don't...
So headers lower.
Heat exchanger, our RPM tank.
Ooh.
Some plugs. Little green belt. And a wash done by P-Sync.
I don't know who that is. He's no longer in
P-Sync
business.
don't work here between 9 and 6.
He don't work here no more. Hey, so like, where do you get that?
The rat place.
I have my whole car that color.
Yeah,
I mean, it's similar.
that one's pretty close. You still need a freshy hat there, Eric.
I got one.
Do you?
Yeah.
Is that just your work hat?
Yep. See, Steve, you know what? I don't like to waste this stuff, so when I cut it off, you know.
Wow.
Look at that. See that?
That's amazing.
Is it?
You're such a thrifty guy.
Thrifty guy, huh?
Yeah.
Thanks.
So thrifty.
Yeah, look how thrifty I am.
You are thrifty. Now it's got like a little tongue. How I get to work. out. So
See how good it works?
I usually just blow a little air in the
Yeah, I do this one not in a rush just because it saves from blowing coolant all over the place.
That's true. That's a good point. So, obviously the pan's back on. Front stuff's going on. What's, what?
Like putting the valve springs on.
Yeah.
Just be sitting at this table for another 2 hours like that.
But you said you liked doing that.
Yeah, I don't mind it.
You made that mistake.
Really annoying.
Yeah. So, lower's on, headers are on, exhaust is on. You got, what, tank? Tank and heat exchanger. Nice.
Yeah, it is.
Look at all that room for activities.
Yeah, probably get done a little quicker if you weren't in my way, but
You got a bad attitude.
yeah.
Sure do. Yeah, NFL legend right there. Sure.
Special fan for you. How's Kevin Hart for you? Oh, he need a ladder. Here you go. Fly. Hey, Kevin.
Fly is a fly.
It seems like something stays on because like where we're doing the power for the fucking MSD controller now, he got it right from the Motec power.
Yeah, it says
and
right
like,
on the wire.
dude, some days we'll fucking walk by the car and like the MSD box is on, and we're like,
I turned the off on the
oh, did you?
the box, so
1-2 was shifting on like all the base shift pressures. 1-2 was pretty hard, so I softened it up as much as I can.
Don't have it too hard.
Yeah, it was kind of hard. And then 3-4, I actually added pressure to them so you can like feel it shift, you know. Before it was just kind of lazy, but you know, see all the shit in, and it'll tell you fluid temp and all the different stuff, and then like advanced setup, like calibration A, so you can just shift multiplier, like it's soft now, but then firmness, you know, for 1, 2, 2, 3, and 3, 4, etc. And then you can, if you ever dyno it, you can just put it in dyno mode, and in third gear at like 50 miles an hour, it locks the converter and like that. And other than that, if you might have to, when you put your 28s on, go in here and change the tire size, because the mile an hour will be different with a different tire. But that's pretty easy. That's in here like.
Is it getting really hot? Is it transition?
No.
It's not?
No.
Yeah, when you got back from that ride the other day, I looked at it. It was like 200.
Yeah, I was gonna say it wasn't bad.
It's fine.
Yeah, Eric was getting all excited from all the fishing gear.
Oh, you fish a lot?
I do, yeah.
Oh, you fish a lot?
Fishing hunt, yeah.
I'm trying to get my together for next weekend, but we'll see. Rodney's got my trans and rear. She said he thinks ships tomorrow, and then I'm waiting. Yeah, I'll have that. It's 2 days. You go drive this f***ing turd?
Let's go.
He's like, what? I missed a spot?
Guy, what? You gotta open the trunk.
What the f***, man? You missed 2 spots.
I did it. It did look good with it shut, you know?
Well, you can't shut it. That just hides the problem. You gotta fix the problem. It does smell good, though.
See?
Smells like.
It's another
You don't
reason.
like the smell of it?
I thought you said it smelled good. I'm like, what did you just say?
It smells like cherries or
Yeah, but
something.
it's too much after a while.
Right at 23 on this side. I'm gonna check the other side real quick.
Yeah, they're both right on 23.
You might have this running today.
If it'll let me start it. We don't have the trans control module, so.
Oh, that's right. We shipped it out to get unlocked.
Yep.
I forgot about that. That's a good point. Well, at least we can push it out of the way.
See if we can't get to you.
Damn.
Get it?
Damn. It's messed up.
Eric.
That should be a ringtone. I'm gonna make that my text tone anytime Eric texts me. Eric!
Please don't.
Yeah.
Seems like. So I told him,
He's
I'm
getting
like,
sick
Rick is
already.
coming to work. Dude, I've been feeling like shit ever since you got near me.
Here we go.
Here we go. 80 degrees out. Eric's getting sick.
See, there's the control system. We just mounted it exactly how it was before. But yeah, and then we just used all the existing wiring they had out of the Motec. So all for the TPS signal, the RPM, all that, and we just ran it into that controller. So it's exactly
so much better now.
Yeah. Yeah, PCS box sucks.
it did.
You want to see a clown in the car?
That's actually in neutral.
Was it?
Oh, he says he can't fit in one.
This is.
He wants one, I'm guessing. He just
I want
can't.
one bad.
Yeah.
I tried getting to buy my f***ing street car before. Crushing up my over here.
Oh, dude, it's fine.
This car actually not bad.
He's like, peace. Say goodbye. He's out. Well, there's your next title, Fletcher Cox stole my car. He was just like biggest smile ever, and then just
I looked and you were crying. I heard you there, and I looked over, and he was just like.
he was grinning ear to ear, and he just ripped it on out of there.
Then he could take it home.
Yeah, he thought it was
KP
gonna be
would
worse.
feel about that, but
Oh yeah.
try telling him to buy my old streetcar, dude. He's like, I can't fit in it. I'm like, man, I know he's a big motherfucker, but I'm pretty sure you can. And the other one was auto, so it's easier to drive than it was a power glide car, but it's easier to drive than a stick car, you know?
No, it's back. Should have kept it longer. Oh, we heard the blower just go right down the street.
They're not that bad.
Just getting out, bro.
Especially like the other one, you know, it had a glide in it. Like being a stick car, a little easier to drive, but
Way easier.
if you had a f***ing glide or something in it, you know, you wouldn't need as much legroom. But
Surprised me. I might be buying one of those.
the other guy, he just sold my streetcar again.
Really?
Yep. Yeah, guy down by him. Everyone said it was too much fucking money and blah blah blah. He sold it in less than a week for full asking price.
There you go.
Yeah, that you won't fucking fit in.
This is what I was in.
Yeah. So I mean the steering wheel, yeah, but C7s are tight, dude. I can barely fit in them.
Yeah, that's why the roof
Yeah.
can come off though.
Yeah.
No, it's uncomfortable.
Yeah. That's what I mean. C7s are way smaller than C6s.
See all the way back?
All the way back. It feels like that thing feels like it sits back like 2 or 3 more inches, doesn't it?
Yeah. Like I had way more room in it.
Yeah.
It's not so graceful. I'll pan away.